A stone's throw away, unraveling the mystery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. At a stone's throw. It's a colorful expression used quite frequently in English, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, "at a stone's throw," is a unit of distance. But it's not precise like a mile or a kilometer. Instead, it's a poetic way of saying that something is very close to another location. Imagine throwing a stone. The distance it covers would be relatively short, right? That's the idea here. When we say something is at a stone's throw away, we mean it's only a short distance away from where we are or from another specified point. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The phrase, "at a stone's throw," has been around for centuries. It originates from the literal act of throwing stones, an action that humans have engaged in for various reasons, including hunting and defending themselves. Over time, this act became a standard measure of short distances in everyday language. It's a vivid expression that easily conjures up an image of the distance being described. Now, let's see how you can incorporate "at a stone's throw" into your English. Here are a few examples. There's a lovely cafe at a stone's throw from our house, so we often walk there for breakfast. The beach is so close to the hotel, practically at a stone's throw away, making it perfect for morning swims. Can you believe the supermarket is just at a stone's throw from the school? It makes running errands so much quicker. Notice how the phrase seamlessly fits into sentences about proximity, emphasizing the convenience and closeness of one location to another. Like many expressions in English, "at a stone's throw" has its variations. People sometimes say, "a stone's throw away," or simply, "a stone's throw," without the "at." The meaning remains the same, and the choice of variation usually depends on the flow of the sentence or personal preference. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, "at a stone's throw." It's a handy expression to describe short distances in a more colorful and imaginative way. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, origin, and usage for you. Don't hesitate to try using it in your conversations to add a bit of flair. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!